1997. It was originally planned to cater for 8 commission members, that is a chairman and 7 full-time commissioners, 10 departments and directorates, and 500 staff. Since then, the activities of the commission have become more extensive, and the staff strength at the headquarters has more than doubled. Today, there are 13 full-time commission members, a chairman and 12 national commissioners, 22 departments and directorates, and 1,048 staff. Consequently, every facility is overstretched, from offices to meeting rooms for the Commission's 15 standing committees and other activities, including regular engagements with stakeholders. General staff meetings always take place outside the Commission. In response, the Commission was compelled to rent 2 buildings in Wuse Zone 2 to ease the situation. Over the last 10 years, we made every effort to alleviate the situation until sometime last year, when the Ministry of the Federal Capital Territory came to the rescue. I wish to make it clear that this is not the first time that the Federal Capital Development Authority, FCDA, is constructing an office for the Electoral Commission. When the Commission relocated its headquarters from Lagos to Abuja in 1991, it was the FCDA that provided it with offices in Gariki to accommodate the national headquarters as well as the FCT office. When the facility became overstretched, the FCDA again built our present headquarters. The building in Gariki now operates exclusively as our FCT office. In fact, today's groundbreaking event is the 3rd time in the last 34 years that the FCDA, in the discharge of its responsibilities, is stepping in to either provide office accommodation or alleviate the Commission's space constraint. As the end user of the facility, our technical team submitted the concept of the proposed building to the Federal Capital Territory, and that is what the FCT is currently executing. We made provision for offices, meeting rooms, conference rooms, a 1,000-seat auditorium, and offices for some of our IT-based facilities, such as the Election Monitoring and Support Center. Beyond these facilities, the building has provision for a museum to serve representatives, and similarly appreciate the Honorable Minister of the FCT for his diligent pursuit of the project, as well as the leadership of the Joint Committee on Electoral Matters in the National Assembly, leaders of political parties, and all stakeholders for your presence and support. May God continue to bless. Today.